Welcome to this tutorial on how to render PDFs containing images stored in Azure Blob Storage in C#. How's it going, guys? In this video, we're going to explore how to render a PDF that includes images stored in Azure Blob Storage using IronPDF. Before we start, ensure that you have installed the IronPDF and Azure.storage.blob's NuGet package in your .NET project. Let's move on to the program.cs file, where we'll make necessary imports and set the license key for IronPDF to use all its functionality. Now let's define the Azure Blob Storage connection string and the name of the container where our images are stored. This is crucial for accessing the images in our storage. Now we initialize the Blob Service client using our connection string. This allows us to interact with the Azure Blob Storage. We then obtain the Blob Container client for our specific container, enabling access to its blobs. Here we obtain the blob client for our specified image by calling getBlobClient on the blob container. In this case, we're retrieving the image file 867.jpg. After that, we create a memory stream to download the blob's content, and this step is essential for retrieving the image data. Once we have the image bytes, we convert them into a base 64 string. This format allows us to embed the image directly into our HTML. Now that we have a base 64 string, we create an HTML image using this string. Next, we instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer, which will convert our HTML, including the embedded image, into a PDF document. Finally, we save the rendered PDF file to a disk using Save As method. And that's it. That's how you create PDFs containing images from Azure Blob Storage. IronPDF provides flexibility and easy integration with different platforms, making it super easy to generate PDFs from scratch without any hassle. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click on the link below, check it out.